Hello, today we're doing another Jackandderekhd toy box, and we're gonna talk about Crashlings. Jinx under the roof. So there are 150 Crashlings to collect, and me and Derek just got these last night from our grandpa. It says there are 5 hidden Crashlings inside. They're probably inside of these balls. Maybe they're under one of this. These Crashlings look like I got monsters and he has ceiling. So these are all the types. These are all of the 10 packs there are, because there are 10 in every pack. Let's start unboxing! Of Stardust, Blowfish Battler, Octopus, and Gamma Ray. Okay, I'm going to take them all out. Now I'm going to open my hidden ones. You can take them out. Stardust, a Sea Slime, and Blowfish Battler. Another Mystery Meteor. Crashling, don't crash. Woo! Thank you. I got another Gamma Ray. Mystery Meteor has another Gravity Guppy. Now I'm gonna open my Mystery Meteor. Whoa! I got another one of these. One. Spell shooter. I got another Bigfoot zipper. These are some. This one's golden. This guy is spell shooter. He shoots spells, even though he looks a little creepy. So this is Creepy Crasher and this is Creepy Crasher. We got 2 Creepy Crashers here. Each Crashling set comes with a blast off meteor and 2 of them that can actually blast off. And let's crash off. Let's crash off. Yeah! Ouch! Here's my Sea Life team. Here's my monster team. All the ones with spaces are teams. Thanks for watching Jackandderekhd's Toy Box Vlog.